My name is Arjun. I work at Apache Solutions as an Odoo technical consultant. In this video, we are going to see how to create a new field and add it on the CRM form and preview. Okay, so we will begin. So this is the CRM tree view and this is the CRM form view. Okay, so we will do one thing. First, we will create a new field in our CRM model. So for that I have already created a new inherited the CRM lead, so I will create a new field over here. So let's name it as lead warmth level. Okay, so I am planning to create it as a selection field. So let's search how we can define a selection field in Odoo. Okay, we will use this code. So we will rename it lead warmth level. Okay, so it's a selection field. We will give cold and we will add two more selections. Okay, so we'll copy this and we will paste it over. We will remove all of this. Actually, we don't need this one. Okay, so we have defined our field inside the CRM lead. Okay, then let's go to the views folder, views file, and we will inherit the CRM lead. First we will inherit the form view. Okay, for that I will activate the debug mode and I will go to the CRM. This is the name of the view, CRM underscore lead underscore view underscore form. We will search that over here in the source code, and here we have the CRM lead form view. Okay, so next step is we need to inherit this view, and I think we can put this our field uh, under this tags. Okay, so we will first check for the tags. Okay, so we have a field here. Name of the field is tags. Okay, so let me inherit this form view. Okay, for that I need to get how to inherit. So for everything we can depend upon the source code, because most of the things will be we can get it from the source code itself. Okay, so I will take this code copy this and we will use it here, and we will change the name as UCRM form for warmth level. Okay, so we have defined the name or ID as this one. Okay, and we will change the name. Before that, I will go to the view and get the external ID. Okay, so we will use this external ID right over here. Okay, so currently we got the external ID, and if you want to know which is the model, you can go inside the debug button and you can see the model name is crm.lead. You can click over here and you can also copy it from here. Okay, and we can paste this model name over here, and we can also change the name on level. Okay, so that's done. Inherit id given, and now we need to get to the XPath. For that, I will go to the parent view and we need to search our this field name, tag IDs, tag IDs. Okay, we have our field over here. So basically you can see two fields. So we will do one thing, we will okay, if you see this is for the opportunity and this is for the lead, so we will take this one. Okay, the second one, tag IDs. So for inheriting this, we need to get the XPath. Okay, group. Okay, so we will write it as form sheet, inside form, inside sheet, group 1, inside group 1, inside group 1, we will go to the, I think this is a group 4, let's see, group 1, 1, so first group I will minimize, so you can actually know, first group, second group, so third group, fourth group, and this is the fifth group. Okay, so our field is inside here in this group. Okay, so we will check that again. Inside first group we have group 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 6. So we need to get the tag IDs inside this group. Okay, so either we can XPath using the node number, or we can XPath using the name. Here we will XPath by using the name of the group. Okay, the name is lead underscore private team. So let's go here, group and at name equals. Okay, so now we are inside this group and we need to get this name, field name. So field at name. Okay, then the position is after, this is correct. Then here we will add our field's name. The custom field name is lead warmth level. Okay, So we will paste it over here. Okay, I think this is done. I think we can upgrade this and see if it is working or not. We'll go back to the CRM, go to the apps. Here we will take priority. We will upgrade the module. Okay, the upgradation has been completed. Let's go inside the view. Here it is not seen. So we will do one thing. We will give this one. Okay. So we will go back to the name 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4. Upgrade. Back to the CRM. Opening up. Yeah. So here you can see the warmth level, or our custom field is currently coming here. Okay. So I will put this as warm and I will save this. Okay. So inside Tessa opportunity, we can see our warmth level is here. Okay. So now we can add this field inside our tree view. Okay. So tree view, I think we can add it after the opportunity. Okay. In between opportunity and contact name, we will add this field. So I will activate the debug mode and to get the list details. So this is our list view. Here I will go back to source code and search. Yes, here we have the list view, and here we plan to put it beside contact name or in between the opportunity and the contact name. So when we enable the debug mode, you can see the field name here itself. So here the opportunities field name is name. So we will search that inside our tree view or list view. Here it is. So next step is we need to inherit the tree view and add our custom field. For that I am copying the one which we currently inherited, the form view, and we will make the necessary changes. Here we need to add the external ID. For that we can go inside the debug and click on the view list, and from here we can copy this and paste it here. Okay. Now we need to give the X path. For giving the X path, here we have an extra character. I just remove that. For giving the X path, we need to know where the name is. So name list. Okay, so we can give it in such a way that like this one. Okay, list. Then we need to fetch the field name. Field name. The field name is name, so we are giving it there, and we are putting it on after. Okay, so that's done. We have another functionality here, so I will show you that also. This is optional hide. Okay, so which means if we put it optional equal to hide, you need to manually go here, and inside here you need to select our field, then only it will be visible over here. Okay, if you click on phone, you can see the phone number here. Okay, so by default this will be on hide. For our situation we can change it to show, which means it will be default. By default it will be shown on the tree view. Okay, So let's reload. I think I have completed everything. So let's go back to the Odoo. Go back to apps, our module name, click upgrade. Okay. Then let's go to CRM and change the view to tree. Okay, here you can see our custom field which has came here, lead warmth level. Okay, so if I change David's opportunity to lukewarm, then save it and go back to the pipeline, you can see the David's warmth level is this, lukewarm. Okay, so yeah, so that's all to today's video. And if you have any doubts regarding adding fields or any customization regard in the CRM module, you can contact us. Our contact details will be on the description of this video. And thank you once again for your time for seeing this video. Thank you. Bye.